Mammals. Okay. And in last lesson we have explained about the birds, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Who can tell me the mammals have what to protect their body? Yes, B.
Fur.
Fur. Well done. Who can tell me only mammal can fly? Maria.
Cat.
That's okay. This is only mammals have wings. Okay. Who can tell me the mammals how can get reproduction? Cheyenne. Give birth. Bravo. Today we have activity. We have a dice rolling. Okay, we're gonna do the game. I'm gonna rolling these dice and tell me these animals belong which group? Belong birds or belong mammals? Wow, it's what? Mammals. Well done. Bravo. Oh. Yes. Out. Horse.
Mammals.
Mammals. Well done. Did you get